Hello guys, so I'm gonna make a bracelet using these items. So let us begin. Firstly, I have taken this elastic wire, double the size of my wrist, that is the size I want. So you have to take double the size of it, you have to cut it out. And then first insert a jump ring inside it and then put a knot so that it is firm there, it is fixed. So once the knot is tied, insert the first bead on one side and the second bead on the other side. Now for the third bead you have to cross over both the sides. So from both sides you have to put the elastic thread inside and pull both the sides so that it comes out something like this, as you can see. Repeat the procedure again, so that is one bead on one side and the second bead on the other side, and then cross over on the third bead. So as you can see, I have put two beads on each side, and the third bead I have to cross over both the sides. So go on repeating the step again and again until you feel that the length is okay. So keep checking in between whenever you feel that it might be long or it might be proper size. So yes, let's continue. Now that all the beads are inserted, I'm going to insert another jump ring at this side and tie knots 2 or 3 times so that it is fixed and it won't come out. Once you're done with 2 or 3 knots, cut out the extra elastic thread, and then the remaining part you just have to use the flame and melt it a bit so that it gets stuck there. And now it is firm, so go on adding jump rings as much as you want. So on the other side I added a hook, and as you can see it is ready now. I also made another one, so let me show that. As you can see, I used pearl beads as well as the same golden beads in between, and I made this one. So I liked it. You all let me know like which one did you like. But yes, before that I'm going to make this look a bit more better. As you can see, I've added stones to it. I had a few stones, as you can see, this type of stones, so I am going to add it. As you can see, I just kept it. Now I'm going to stick it as placed. Now that it is ready, you can see how pretty it's looking. I just loved it. Do let me know how do you like it. I just loved it. I can't say, like, I have no words. It's looking so cute and pretty. Also the pearl one is very pretty. So anyways, you all let me know which one did you all like the most, and also if you all are gonna try, let me know what beads are you gonna use. So yes, I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, bye bye.
Hello again, I hope you liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also, if you are new to the channel, do click on the red subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.